A very good morning to all. Today I'll be starting with page number 211. That is keeping the house clean. It is a way how we should keep our house clean. Now to stay healthy, we should always keep our house and its surrounding clean. Okay, I want you to underline surroundings. The house should always be kept free from dust and germs. Some ways to keep the house clean are given below. These are some points which we have to take care of. Okay. Now, the first one is all the objects should be kept in their proper places. It is not that in a house we can't just throw all the things, like as soon as you come from the school. अभी तो आप लोग school नहीं जा रहे हो, but when you were coming from the school, you used to throw the bags in the sofas, shoes in this side, water bottle in that side. Then mom has to collect everything. That is not a good thing. Okay, as soon as you come, or if you're going out, now these days when you go out and as soon as you come inside, you must have seen your father or mother कैसे घर के अंदर आते हैं. एक तो दे विल बी कवर्ड विद द मास्क एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड दे विल ब्रिंग ऑल द थिंग्स एंड वो एक कोने में रखते हैं ताकि वो चीज हम तुरंत टच ना करें. एंड देन दे विल वॉश द हैंड्स थॉरोली प्रॉपरली. एंड मेरे केस में आई हैव माई बाथ. मैं बाहर जाके आती हूँ, मैं नहा लेती हूँ, एंड देन आई डोंट टच दैट थिंग्स विच जो भी मैं लेके आई हूँ एक पूरा दिन. आई वोंट टच. आई विल पुट इट इन सम दैट प्लेस वेयर माई किड्स वोंट टच दैट. Okay, we are so particular these days. So all the things, all the objects should be kept in a proper way or proper place. The floor should be swept and mopped every day. That is done in every house. Mopped मतलब पोछा करना. Okay, underline mopped, mopped. Why? Because we have to keep our house clean. जैसे हम नहाते हैं, we take our bath minimum 2 times in a day. The same way we have to clean our house also. The second is the kitchen should be cleaned regularly and the food should be kept covered. I know all the mothers do this. मम्मीज किचन भी साफ करते हैं. खाना बनाने के पहले भी किचन अच्छा, फिर खाना बनाने के बाद भी वो किचन साफ रखती है. एंड खाना हमेशा बंद रखना है. दैट इज नॉट फॉर मॉम, क्योंकि मॉम्स डू दैट. आप लोग कैसे करते हो? इफ यू ओपन समथिंग, आप भूल जाते हो बंद करना एंड खुला रख के चले जाते हैं, एंड द फ्लाइज एंड एवरीथिंग विल कम इनसाइड एंड सिट, एंड दैट विल क्रिएट अ you will get sick, right? So always cover the food. The next one is the doors, windows and the furniture should be dusted regularly. There should be curtains for the doors and windows to keep dust away. हम सबके घर में everyone is having this. ये curtains रखे जाते ताकि मिट्टी और जो भी वो उड़ते हैं ना, that will not come inside directly. ये अपने curtains उसको curtains के ऊपर वो चिपक जाते हैं, right? And every day mommy will be doing the dusting also. Now, the wash basins, bathrooms and toilets should be cleaned daily. The wash basins, bathroom and toilets जहाँ पे हम अपनी गंदगी मतलब we brush and we just spit, we wash our face. ये सब जगह पे ना अच्छी तरह वॉश करना चाहिए. It should be like mommy will be using that what is Harpic or something like that, and she will clean it properly. Oh, that places will be cleaned every day. Toilets every day she will clean that one. And then household waste should be thrown inside dustbins. Dustbins should be kept covered to keep away houseflies and mosquitoes. You will underline houseflies and mosquitoes also. What happens is household की चीज़ें जो हमारे कचरा है, वेजिटेबल की पील्स है, वो सब अगर आपके पास गार्डन नहीं है एंड इफ यू आर थ्रोइंग इट आउट, पुट इट इन अ डस्टबिन. आप मम्मीज, ये मम्मीज के लिए. आप लोग क्या करोगे? आपके जो कचरे हैं, पेंसिल के शार्पनर्स जो है वो सब एक एक छोटा सा बर्तन में कलेक्ट करके फिर वो डस्टबिन में डालना. डोंट पुट द शार्पनर्स इन ऑन द फ्लोर और on your study table. So that is a bad thing. Every time it should कि आप जब भी बैठो take a plastic tumbler or something like that where you can put your waste, मतलब the kachras, whatever it is. Okay. If there are pets at home, their living place should be cleaned regularly. If you are having a pet, so that places should be cleaned regularly, and pets are also supposed to clean. Like we have to make them bath. We should give a bath to them also. Okay, so these were the points. All the objects should be kept in a proper place. The floor should be mopped every day. The kitchen should be cleaned and the food should be covered properly. The doors and windows must be dusted every day. The wash basins, bathrooms and toilets should be cleaned. The household waste should be thrown in a dustbin, and if there is a pet, make them clean them properly and their living area also. Now the next one is clothes and fiber. Okay, we wear clothes to protect our body from the sun's heat. I'm so sorry, I'm repeating it. We wear clothes to protect our body from the sun's heat, rain, cold, dust and insects. Clothes are made up of very fine threads called fibers. All the clothes are made up of fibers. Fibers can be natural or man-made. First we are going with natural fibers. Fibers obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Examples of natural fibers are cotton, jute, wool and silk. ये सब natural fibers है जो human beings ने नहीं बनाया है. Cotton वो cotton plant से मिलता है. Jute भी ऐसे ही. Wool भी from the sheep and silk from the silkworm. So ये सब natural है. Okay, this is natural made, natural fibers. The first one I am going with is fibers obtained from plants. Cotton fiber is obtained from the cotton plant. It is used to make cotton clothes such as sari, shirt, trousers and skirt. You will be underlining trousers in this. Okay, cotton fibers जो जिससे बनते हैं उससे हम साड़ी, shirts, trousers and skirts बनाते हैं. The next is jute fiber is obtained from the jute plant. वो नीचे picture भी है jute plant. It is used to make clothes and other items such as bag, mat and rope. ये jute से बनता है. And now fiber obtained from animals. We get wool from sheep. हमने फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में ये पढ़ा है. Wool is used to make woolen clothes. Fur of some animals such as silver fox is used to make warm clothing like coats and sweaters which we use during our cold seasons. Okay. The next is we get silk from silkworms. The silkworm weaves a cocoon, okay, around it. The silk thread is obtained from the cocoon. Silk thread are woven into saris and scarves. You will be underlining scarves in this and also cocoon too. Fine. The pictures are shown over there. And in the next video, we will be starting with the man-made fibers. Fine. With this, I have completed this video. If there is any doubt, please come to me. Thank you.